Hi, good morning everyone. Hope you all are fine at home. Today we will discuss our another topic of Boolean algebra, in which we'll explain the laws, distributive law, absorption law and De Morgan's law by algebraic method. So here in this first we will discuss our first law, that is A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus AC. Second law is A plus B dot C is equal to A plus B dot A plus C. First method is applied for mathematical algebra, arithmetic algebra, but second law is applied only in the Boolean algebra. Don't think about this second law applying the mathematical algebra, because that is not allowed in maths algebra. That is only applicable in the Boolean algebra, your second law. So now when you are going to prove this first law, so this is A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus AC. So if we pick this right hand side here, so first we will try to prove this right hand side, then we make it equal to our left hand side of this one. So here in this, like A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Then second law, A plus B dot C is equal to A plus B dot A plus C. So here in this you separate A plus B dot A plus C, because dot is between that B dot C and there is A plus B. So there is a two portion I divided into two parts. So in the first part I explain it here first law, and in the second part I will explain the second law. So now if I pick the right hand side, that is A dot B plus A dot C, so I take A common, dot B plus C, so that is exactly my right hand side. Now move to the second law, that is A plus BC is equal to A plus B dot A plus C. Now if I pick the here right hand side, so if I pick right hand side here, so A plus B dot A plus C. So A dot A plus A dot C plus B dot A plus B dot C, we open it like that. First A will open with A because dot is between these two brackets. A dot A plus A dot C plus B dot A plus B dot C. Next is, now in the first three terms, if you look at this figure, first three terms A is common between that. So if I take A common here, so what is left? 1 plus C. If above is this like A dot A, so if same term and is there, so we consider this as only single A. So 1 is left it here, 1 plus C plus B bracket close plus B dot C. Now 1 plus C, this is property, one property. If any input is there, 1 is that, my answer is 1. 1 plus B dot C. Again 1 plus B become 1. So A dot 1 plus B dot C. So A dot A plus B dot C is my required left hand side in this second law of distributive law, that is my Boolean algebraic law. Next is absorption law. In this first law, so this is A plus A dot B is equal to A, then A dot A plus B is equal to A. So I already partitioned in two parts. First, in the first part I will explain this first law, that is A plus A dot B, and here in the second law A dot A plus B. Remember one thing, in that case also we apply distributive law, because first when we use distributive law, first we prove the distributive law, now we apply it here again distributive law in the first law, that is A plus A dot B is equal to A. So now in this left hand side, if I take A common, so what is left? In this left hand side, if I take A common, 1 plus 1 dot B. So 1 or B, if one input is there, and 1 is there, because in the OR condition, if any term is true, my answer will be true. That's why 1 or B gives me 1. A dot 1 is equal to A. So that is exactly my right hand side. So 1 or B gives me 1. So A and 1, because both condition not surety that it will be true, so my answer will be A. So that is my right hand side. Now move to the second case, second law of absorption. A dot A plus B. I apply again it here, distributive law, A dot A plus A dot B. So A dot A become only single A, that is AND operator, A dot A plus A dot B plus A dot B. So now I take again A common according to my distributive law. If I take A common, so what is left? 1 or B. 1 or B gives me 1 and my answer will be A. That is exactly left hand side in my, that is a property of the second law of absorption. So that is the same thing I have to prove. A dot A plus B is equal to A. Now next is De Morgan's law. So in this De Morgan's law, we already done in sets, probability, De Morgan's law, like A plus B complement is equal to A complement dot B complement. Second theorem is A and B complement must be equal to A complement or B complement. So for proving this, we have two properties of 1 and, that is property of 0 and 1. Very first property which we have read this, like A plus A complement. So that is a complement law is there. So A or A complement, when there is a or between that, that always equal to 1. And if there is a AND operator between any input and its complement, that is always equal to 0. Because in AND cases, both condition will be true, and one input and another input, another complement, it never be the same. So always it will be 0, but in our case it will be 1. So how we prove this one? So I have two cases. In the first law, if I have like A plus B complement is equal to A complement dot B complement, I apply it here De Morgan's law. Without apply De Morgan's law, I can't prove the complement law that is written on the top. Like first case is A plus B plus A plus B complement is equal to 1 according to the my top law. And if I multiply any two inputs with its complement, that gives me 0. Now I apply it here De Morgan's law, like A plus B complement. I apply it here De Morgan's law. So A plus B complement is equal to A complement dot B complement, like A plus B plus A plus B plus A complement dot B complement plus A complement dot B complement is equal to 1 is the right hand side. So I just pick only left hand side. Okay, so if I pick only just left hand side, so when I apply again distributive law, like A plus B plus A complement and dot between this, and again A plus B complement. This is the first part. When A plus B plus A complement, it will be there, because when it is A plus B plus A complement dot B complement, so first I will do A plus B plus A complement dot, then A plus B will plus between that plus B complement, because A, there is a AND operator between A complement and B complement, dot A plus B plus B complement. So next is 1 A or A complement becomes 1 plus B, and AB plus B complement become 1, that is A plus 1, and B plus 1 become 1, A plus 1 become 1. So exactly 1 and 1 is equal to 1, that is equal to right hand side. Now my second case is this: if any term multiply with its complement, that always gives 0. So that means if A plus B, I have to multiply with A plus B complement, that will be 0. But I can't directly solve this A plus B complement, because we never solve complement with the two terms. So first we make it single term by applying the binomial term, like A complement dot B complement, A and A complement dot B complement. Apply again distributive law, plus B dot A complement dot B complement. We are solving first left hand side, and if any term like B complement, A complement, that is equal to 0 according to my rule, 0 plus 0, so that is equal to right hand side. So first theorem is proved by the De Morgan's theorem. Now second theorem is, So instead of A or B, if I take A and B complement, so that is A complement plus B complement. Then according to above two laws, complement law, if we add any two inputs with this complement, that always gives me 1. A and B plus A B complement, that gives me 1, and second case is A and B dot A dot B complement is equal to 0. So now we will solve first case here. If you look at this A dot B plus A dot B complement, first I apply here De Morgan's law to separate complement. A complement plus B complement, 1 is actually the right hand side. So we just solve the left hand side. So left hand side, now we apply again the distributive law, that is A complement is outside plus A dot B. So we just open these three terms, A plus A complement dot B plus A complement plus B complement. So that gives me 1. A plus A complement gives me 1. B plus A complement plus B complement. So B plus B complement is again 1. So here B plus B complement is again 1. 1 plus A complement. B plus B complement is 1 plus A complement, and 1 plus A complement, because A complement, it can be any input is there, any input with or with 1, always give me 1, that is equal to right hand side. Now A and B dot A and B complement. So this is A and B, and this is A and B complement is equal to 0. That I want to prove, but I can't solve directly. First there is a common complement, I have to make it separate by De Morgan's law. So I pick left hand side, A dot B dot A complement plus B complement by applying the De Morgan's law. Now I apply again distributive law. So first A and B dot A complement plus A and A dot B dot B complement. Now A dot A complement and another case B dot B complement, that becomes 0, and you multiply with any term with the 0, then your answer will be 0. Thank you for today. Hope you